Blizzardfury. What can you give me as a feedback about this experience?
Feedback. If nobody's not done this yet, I would implore you to do this because it's been one of the nicest experience. Just to have a nice, relaxed atmosphere of being yourself, having questions that sort of make you think outside the box, as well as people getting to know you and grow with you. You've signposted everything so brilliantly along the way,
Hmm.
and even coming on and watching the interview before and past the interviews, it's just a nice, relaxing community that's been built here, and people take something away from every interview, a different mindset, a different thing, and that's all down to you, Twerk, and the amazing
Wow.
thing you're doing with this. And I
Thank
do
you.
look forward to seeing you next year at TwitchCon.